Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the DVR model and current firmware from system information so you get the exact file. Once done, download the matching firmware to your PC and verify the checksum if provided. This prevents mismatches. Make sure you have an admin account, a stable RJ45 network connection, and a full configuration backup saved locally. Now power stabilize the unit and prepare the file transfer method, either direct browser upload or the sad/config tool to start the update. You access the DVR via the web GUI using the admin account or open Hikvision config tool /sap to target the device on the LAN. Then upload the firmware file. Confirm the model and version displayed in the tool match the file's data, because wrong firmware can brick hardware. Start the upgrade and monitor the progress indicator closely. During this period, do not power cycle or interrupt network. The device will validate right, and then perform an automatic reboot when complete. After reboot, you log back in and verify the firmware version to ensure the update applied correctly, then restore your saved configuration if it was wiped. Make sure network settings and service ports remain correct. Test recording, live view, and playback to confirm normal operation. If the device fails to boot or behaves oddly, attempt a safe re-upload, perform the recommended factory reset, and collect system logs. If problems persist, contact support with model, firmware file name, and logs for assisted recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.